Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find uTorrent file with more seeds. First, open your uTorrent, and when you navigate to your downloading torrent, as this one for an example, you have to look where it says seeds in peers. Seeds are the one who have the complete file, and peers, they have part of the file. So to see the one with the greater number, that means the better the torrent. Here's where you can check how many seeders you have. And for an instant, let's say it is below a certain number and then you want to increase the amount of seeders. You have to go where it says trackers. After that, right click and say add tracker. Here, you can paste trackers that you may find on the internet and paste them over here. And after you do that, click on OK, and it'll gradually increase the amount of seeders you have. You're done.